How to fix Ethernet connection Windows 11. So if you want to fix Ethernet connection, then first you need to open up your settings. And once you open your settings, now here on the bottom, you will have, now here on the left, you will have network and internet. Go for network and internet, and then scroll down and go for advanced network settings and go for network reset, and then go for reset now and reset your network. So click on yes, and once done, you need to close that, and then you can simply search for device manager. Open your device manager, and once we are here, just expand the network adapters, and now you can simply go for the first and then right click on it and go for properties, and from here you can go for the driver and then go for update driver and click on the first, and from here the best drivers for you or your device are already installed. And once you've done that, close that, and you need to again go for update driver and then go for the second option now, which is browse my computer for drivers, and then here you have this. You need to click on next and then go for search for updated drivers on Windows Update, and here click on let me pick from a list of available drivers on my computer, and then you can choose that, and you need to click on next and then close this and again close, and you need to close that, and now you need to again go for Windows and open up your settings application and then go for network and internet, and then you need to simply go for proxy, and here you need to simply disable this option, which is automatically detect settings. Turn off, and once you've turned that off, you need to remove that window, and then you need to simply go for your taskbar. Right click on the taskbar and then go for task manager, and on this window you need to click on run new task and then go for browse, and then you need to simply select this PC and then your C drive and simply find out Windows folder, open that, and then go for system 32 and open up system 32, select it and then click on open, then check this box and then click on OK. Simply hit enter to execute them. So you need to enter NETSH space INT and then space IP and space reset and then space C : / and reset log.txt and then hit enter, and once done you need to type in NETSH space winsock space reset and hit enter, and now execute this command ipconfig space /flush DNS. So here you can see that we need to restart the computer to complete this action. So what you need to do is simply close this window and then close this one also, and now you need to go and restart your device. So simply restart your device, and once you restart your device, now your problem will be fixed. So that's how you fix your Ethernet connection on Windows 11. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.